Good morning, students.
नींद लगाने की वजह से हमारा खराब।
Today I am going to teach you class 8 English literature. First chapter is participation. Partition. Participation, the same things. Partition. And the objective of this chapter to make your knowledge, you will be able to know about the condition of India and Pakistan, and you will know some history of India and Pakistan, and you will also make understand the what condition became after the partition of India and Pakistan. What condition? Means the condition of the people of India and Pakistan. Because you know, Pakistan divided due to the religious matter, but India is already secular. In a secular, there is no foundation of any religion. Different type of religion can stay in the secularism nation. Our India is secular country. So you will see the background of India and Pakistan when the British divided India into two parts, India and Pakistan. You know already about Pakistan, that is our neighbor, and the important character in this chapter you will see. The first important character is Gulzar, that is also writer of this chapter. His real name was Sampuran Singh and his father name was Harbhajan Singh and his brother name was Iqbal Singh. And there is another important character, Afzal Chacha. He was Jamidar and he was very cooperative nature. He helped the family of Harbhajan Singh. So you will know some history about India and Pakistan. So we are going to teach you with the help of your book, chapter first. First of all, you will open your PDF file or books which you have. With the help of books, you are to read. First of all, objectives. Read a history about partition and how it affects the life of many till date. Today, in first line, the objective is that the effects of partition, यानी पार्टीशन होने के बाद इफेक्ट क्या पड़ा लोगों के ऊपर, इंडिया के लोगों के ऊपर और पाकिस्तान के लोगों के ऊपर, उस इफेक्ट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे आप लोग. आइडेंटिफाई सिनोनिम्स एंड एंग्लेयर द वोकैबुलरी, और सिनोनिम्स को कुछ आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे और उसको आप इन्हांस करेंगे, बढ़ाएंगे, उसको सीखेंगे. नेक्स्ट, लर्न अबाउट सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. And at the end of the story, you will also learn about verb and agreement and about some sentences, how the sentences are used in this chapter. Listen to a book, review and answer questions and narrate an incident. उसके बाद आप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, उसको उनके इंसिडेंट को आप क्वेश्चन में नरेट करेंगे कि कैसे कौन से इंसिडेंट, किस इंसिडेंट के बाद फिर अगेन क्या हुआ, फिर क्या स्टेप लोगों ने लिया, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के लोगों ने जब पार्टीशन हुआ. राइट एंड इनफॉर्मल लेटर, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर यू आर टू राइट एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर, नॉट फॉर्मल लेटर. इनफॉर्मल लेटर दैट इज रिटन टू योर रिलेटिव्स और फैमिली मेंबर, दैट इज इनफॉर्मल लेटर. फॉर्मल लेटर that is written for official purpose, तो सो द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ चैप्टर, डू यू नो दैट सम प्रेजेंट डे countries were also part of India before 1947. अब you know before 1947 1947 के पहले इंडिया और पाकिस्तान एक में ही था, यहाँ तक कि बांग्लादेश भी एक ही में था। बांग्लादेश क्या था? 1971 के पहले बांग्लादेश भी पाकिस्तान था। बांग्लादेश you know that was West Pakistan, sorry, that was East Pakistan, that is now Bangladesh. That was East Pakistan, that was a part of Pakistan, although it was situated east of West Bengal. You can see in the map, besides the west of Bengal, Bangladesh is situated. That was East Pakistan before 1971. In 1971, it became as a Bangladesh with the help of Indira Gandhi. So now you see only West Pakistan, that is known as Pakistan. But before 1971 there were two parts of Pakistan, East Pakistan and West Pakistan. West Pakistan is now Pakistan and East Pakistan is now Bangladesh after 1971. Okay, so you will know the condition of the people of India and Pakistan after the partition. Can you name those countries? It was in 1947 that India got independence. It was also the year when British India was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. Many people from Pakistan crossed the border to come into India and vice versa. In excerpt from Guljar's book titled Footprints on Zero Line, the writer narrates how the events of 1947 continue to affect the lives of many even after some many years. In this chapter, writer describes after the participation, after the many years, from when? After the independence of India and Pakistan, many years people suffered due to the religious matter. Many people diverted one place to another place. Some people from Pakistan came into India and some people of India went into Pakistan. So there were the condition of dilemma, that was very confused condition. People thought where we should stay. That time people felt safe, there they went. So, and there is a book that is written by Guljar, that is Footprints on Zero Line. That is another book about this story. Okay, it was sometimes in the years 1984 to 85 that a certain gentleman named Iqbal Singh, a professor, used to write to me saying I was his brother who had been lost during the partition. After the first few letters, I wrote him long letter explaining that I was in Delhi living with my parents and I had not lost any siblings during the communal rights of those days. It is the story of 1984 to 1985. It means after the long year of the independence of India. This story happened with Guljar. Guljar is also writer. So the story that happened with him, he wrote in this story. And now we are studying the story of 1984 to 85. So there was a gentleman, Iqbal Singh. You are already familiar who was Iqbal Singh? Who was Iqbal Singh? Iqbal Singh was a brother of Sampuran Singh. Sampuran Singh means Guljar. गुलजार के भाई इकबाल सिंह और गुलजार के फादर हरभजन सिंह थे. तो इकबाल सिंह यूज्ड टू राइट a letter to Guljar, but Guljar was not agree to believe that it was real. In the starting of the story, he was claiming, who was claiming? Iqbal Singh was claiming that he lost his brother during the partition, but Guljar had no idea that time. He had no knowledge how they lost. Now, after the claiming of Iqbal Singh, Guljar was not agree to believe that he was his real brother, and he answered the letter of Iqbal Singh that he didn't lost any siblings. Siblings मतलब brother and sister. It means Guljar clearly explained that he has nothing lost. He has no lost any brother and sister during the communal rights. Communal rights, the rights, the squarels in a community such as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, it is. That is communal rights. Like you also listen or watch in TV, there is a communal rights. मतलब एक संप्रदाय से दूसरे संप्रदाय का झगड़ा, जैसे हिंदू और मुस्लिम कभी कभी टीवी में दिखता है कहीं कहीं. Despite this, Iqbal Singh remained convinced that I was his long lost brother and kept writing. Eventually, I stopped answering. After some time, the letter stopped coming. A year must have passed when Sain Pranjpe, the filmmaker, sent me a message saying that a certain gentleman from Delhi called Harbhajan Singh wished to meet me. अब देखिए, after some letters, Guljar didn't answer. He left the answering of the letter of Iqbal Singh. It means he became very silent because he believed that he didn't lose anyone. He didn't lose any siblings, any brother and sister. So he was very confidential that he has nothing lost. Despite this, अब देखिए न्यू इवेंट्स कब एक होता है कि एक बार की बात है, साइन प्रेंजेपी जो फिल्म मेकर था वहां से एक मैसेज आया इनके पास कि हरभजन सिंह जो कि गुलजार के फादर थे, वो आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं और उनकी इच्छा है कि आप उनसे मिलें. तो फिर इनका क्या रिएक्शन होता है आप देखेंगे कि गुलजार का क्या रिएक्शन होता है, मिलना चाहते हैं अथवा नहीं. A month later I get telephone call from Mrs. Dandawet, a former finance minister's wife. She told me Harbhajan Singh, a civil supplies minister in Punjab who lived in Delhi, wished to meet me. अब देखिए फिर नेक्स्ट थिंग्स क्या हुआ, फिल्म मेकर के थ्रू एक बार मैसेज करवाए, फिर कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया हरभजन सिंह. अब फाइनेंस जो फॉर्मर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे उनकी वाइफ से फिर एक मैसेज करवाते हैं कि हम उनसे मिलना चाहते हैं. कौन मिलना चाहते हैं? हरभजन सिंह मैसेज दिलवाते हैं फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, पूर्व पूर्व फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर की पत्नी से कि हम उनसे मिलना चाह रहे हैं और हम दिल्ली में ही हैं, पूछ लीजिए, परमिशन लीजिए कि वो मिलने के लिए हमसे तैयार हैं अथवा नहीं, क्या मैं उनसे मिल सकता हूँ। इट मीन्स ही वॉज डिमांडिंग अ परमिशन टू मीट गुलजार सिंह, टू मीट गुलजार मीन्स संपूर्ण सिंह। द रियल नेम was Sampuran Singh, because when he was with his family in Pakistan, his real name was Sampuran Singh, the childhood name was. But the Guljar is after coming in Delhi, after shifting in Delhi, he was named with Guljar. Okay, next, I went to Delhi in January. That was a time I met Harbhajan Singh, his elder son Iqbal, and other family member at their residence. Harbhajan Singh Sahib met me with a great affection. He introduced me to mother. This is your mother, and then he narrated the story. देखिए, in the month of January 1985, that Harbhajan Singh and Harbhajan Singh's family member, you can say Harbhajan Singh, Iqbal Singh and Iqbal's mother, or you can say Guljar's mother. The male family member of Guljar met in Delhi with Guljar, and Harbhajan Singh, his elder son, Iqbal and his family members at their residence. Harbhajan Singh Sahib met me with great affection. Harbhajan Singh, he was father of Guljar. So Harbhajan Singh met Guljar very affectionately. Harbhajan Singh became very happy to meet Guljar, because he lost his son Guljar. So affectionately all the family members met in Delhi, and he introduced me to the mother, and Harbhajan Singh also introduced to Guljar that this is your mother, identify your mother, this is your mother. It means Guljar's father Harbhajan Singh introduced to Guljar that this is your mother, so meet your mother and narrate the story. Okay, and now you will see the story of the meeting. In the meeting, what happened, you will now in next stanza. There were terrible riots, fire raised all around and scorched in those flame. News and gossips reached us, but we stayed up. The Jamidar, being a friend of my father, was kindly disposed toward us. The entire Kasbah knew that till he was there, no one could even knock on our door at inappropriate hour. His son Ayaz used to study with me in school till we would be terrified when the caravans traveling from the hinterland passed through our Kasbah. We would quail from within. The Jamidar would come every day and bolster our courage. He treated my wife like his own daughter. Our older son Iqbal was named by him. It means everything his father, Guljar's father, explained the events of partition, what condition happened when the people started to run hither and thither, when the communal rights happened, how the people adjust themselves. They are telling each and every, and also explaining that the Jamidar Afzal Chacha helped so much to my family, and Afzal Chacha also believed Iqbal's mother as a daughter, and it means Afzal Chacha was very cooperative nature, and he helped in each condition of Harbhajan Singh. So, next explanation I will tell you next, and today I hope that you will revise with the help of PDF book. Without PDF book or without book, you can't revise it properly. Okay, thank you.